Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect with someone on LinkedIn. So for this you have to go first on your LinkedIn account. Oh, okay, so after that you can search for that person here from here or otherwise you can search from here in this search bar. So I'll choose that person, and now you can uh, connect with her with this connect button. Send her a connect request. So this is how you can connect with someone on LinkedIn. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.